Welcome to this explainer. Today we're unpacking a hidden gear inside the world's most famous digital currency. It's this incredibly elegant piece of engineering that keeps Bitcoin's heartbeat perfectly stable. So let's look at exactly how it ticks.
No matter how many miners join, Bitcoin produces a new block every 10 minutes.
How? Well, through difficulty adjustment.
Okay, let's dive into this. Think of the Bitcoin network as this incredibly vigilant, perfectly impartial referee. It's constantly watching the whole system and periodically checking exactly how fast these new blocks are actually being found. And keeping to this strict 10-minute schedule, well, it's absolutely crucial. It's what guarantees predictable inflation and ultimately secures the entire network. So, if the blocks are coming in a bit too fast or maybe too slow, this referee steps in and changes the rules of the game just slightly. It does this by altering the complexity of the cryptographic puzzle that all the miners are trying to solve.
Now, what's really interesting here is the behind-the-scenes mechanics, right? Like how it actually self-regulates. It's a highly reliable, completely automated cycle. First up, the network measures the recent block times just to check the current speed. Second, it recalculates and adjusts the puzzle difficulty based on those times. And third, it uses that adjustment to lock in that steady 10-minute pace. Honestly, it's amazing. The network is actively regulating itself without any human intervention at all, so that block production literally never spins out of control. And this brilliantly illustrates the balancing act at play. Think about it. As massive amounts of computing power come online and a bunch of new miners join the hunt, the puzzle automatically gets harder to prevent those blocks from being created way too quickly. But on the flip side, if miners power down and leave the network, well, the puzzle just gets easier. It's constantly flexing and adapting, basically getting harder as miners join and easier as they leave, all to keep that 10-minute heartbeat perfectly intact.
It really is a masterclass in decentralized, automated design. But, it does make you wonder, as global computing power continues to skyrocket exponentially in the coming decades, will this simple, elegant piece of code be enough to keep the heartbeat steady forever? Ultimately, a self-correcting system that keeps the pace steady, that's difficulty adjustment at work.